So the KTM 790 Adventure is barely out of the factory doors and a major upgrade option has already been announced. Stick around. Get your motorbike news in a pleasant way. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Now, every time I try and cover electric bikes, people just seem to tune out and think of pink bunnies or something, but I think this next story is worthy of your attention. Now, the three pillars of a successful electric bike are performance, range, and price. Miss any one of these and the bike is a flop. The Zero SRF has been closest until now in almost achieving to satisfy these three pillars, but the prohibitive $20,000 price tag is sure to keep a lot of people away. Enter the Lightning Strike. Stupid name. Priced at $13,000, it raises the bar for affordable electric performance street bikes. This is an unusually low buy-in for a supposedly premium design, fully electric performance motorcycle. Alright, the price is good. What about performance? The Lightning Strike's claimed performance number, still a stupid name.Its claimed performance numbers support the sporty intent with a horsepower said to be a healthy 90 horsepower, while torque is pegged at a staggering 180 pound-feet. For a 455 pound bike, these numbers are more than good enough. Okay, so you're thinking that if price and performance are good, then the range must really suck. It's probably powered by 2 AA batteries or something. Again, not so. Range is about what you'd expect, 70 miles highway riding and 100 miles city riding. Now, all of these specs are for the base version, the Strike being available in 3 different versions. The top spec one doubling the range, but also burning a hole in your pocket at $20,000. This is good. This is very good for the market. We're given a choice of how much we want to spend for performance and range. The KTM 790 Adventure R has staked its claim to being the new top dog when it comes to off-road capability in the twin-cylinder adventure bike segment. Most riders would be more than happy with the performance offered from the finely tuned 48mm WP fork and PDS rear shock. Yet, as it's in our human nature, we always want more. And WP is more than happy to oblige. For a price, of course. The new WP XPLOR PRO is an entirely new high-end suspension for the new KTM 790 Adventure R that offers improvements in bump absorption, damping, and adjustability for the toughest off-road terrain. Suspension settings are all customized to the rider's personalized settings, and you can even increase the suspension travel from the standard 9.5 inch to 10.6 inches. The price of the new front suspension is around 2,600 euros, while US pricing has not been announced yet. WP has also come out with an XPLOR PRO rear shock, which promises friction-optimized components, adjustable high and low speed compression damping, and is fully adjustable with standard tools. All of this for a measly 1,350 euros, again with no US pricing announced. WP states that there are no compromises between gaining comfort and bottoming reserves, and at the same time maximizing the bike's off-road capability by using unique technologies. Using the theory of diminishing returns, even WP states that this new suspension upgrade is about giving customers that last 5% to make them even faster and to provide them with such a feeling of safety that they can push even more. A similar XPLOR PRO suspension upgrade will be made available soon for the 1090 and the 1290 Adventure. For those that really want to push their big and heavy adventure bikes to the limits in an off-road rally environment. There are literally tens of them out there. All jokes apart, I'm glad such an upgrade exists out there. It's their job to make them available to us, and it's our job to get them if we think they make our lives easier. Let us know in the comments if a 5,000 euro suspension upgrade is something you consider useful on your bike, KTM or not. Well, that's the show, everybody. If you've enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. If you've learned something, consider subscribing or becoming a patron to help us make more of these videos. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.